I think we'll start with Yongey Mingyur Rinpoche. If you owned a science lab, so imagine you owned a science lab, what is it that you would study?
If I become scientist?
Yeah, if you were like Richie Davidson and you had your own science lab and you had lots of money and you could research whatever you wanted, what would it be?
I will study about the path of the meditation.
Wow.
I was really interested about we have this very clear path of meditation and different states of the mind, and all these are clear. And maybe I will study a different way using the scientific method and to study about the different states of mind and how that, I think, will be very interesting.
Yes, that would be fantastic. So hopefully we can get you a science lab.
One day.
One day. And then Tenzin Wangyal Rinpoche, if you were the boss of a science lab, what would you be looking at?
I would study, constant evolving the searcher, the scientist, or somebody who's trying to find something. I will search who is trying to search it, who is doing the science, who is doing the research, who is trying to expecting to find something, who is trying to expect to find what, who is what I will study with the science, if it's possible. I don't think it's possible, but there will probably will cost so much more money. but that will be, I think, my who is.
So your subject would be the who. And yeah. If you had to imagine and be creative around how would you try and research that? What are some of the ways? How, you said that it might be difficult, but if you had to look at it, where would you start?
Well, I think that's a good question. I think it's a very, I don't know how, from talking about the computer technology and all these measurement tools, I don't know how that will look like. But, in this seeker's journey and the meditation journey, it's very much you're not trying to find something, you're always trying to find who is looking. And you come to the place of not finding anything, like no yuck. I mean, in the end of the day, no yuck is what I would do a research on.
No yuck, exactly. No yuck. And then just to wrap things up, Yongey Mingyur Rinpoche, as we are soon going to be talking to all the scientists on this body, breath, and mind, and all the organizers here are listening, could you give us some advice to us about, what are some of the issues we should tackle?
I think for the meditation aspect, the most important is mind and the breath together. So awareness, mind here is awareness. Awareness meaning knowing. In a way, it's very, very easy, and you all are, you all have mind. We all are not unconscious. So just not unconscious, that is the awareness. So be with the breath. And normally, the general mistake about the meditation on the breath is only focus on the breath. No pizza, breath, no pizza. So I think that makes it really a problem. And another common mistake is, am I doing right? No, not, yes. This breath, okay, shallow breath, deep breath, which breath? So the first, one of the important practice of the breathing meditation is breath naturally. At the beginning, one of the meditation, what I learned is really benefit for me is natural breath. Shallow, okay, deep is okay, peaceful, okay, not peaceful, everything's okay with the awareness. And if you're not forget on the breath, let pizza come. 2 pizza, 3 pizza, 10 pizza is also okay.
Thank you so much, Rinpoche.